So basically I've been cutting rocks up with my high-tech 10-inch saw and using my 8-inch flat lap to shape and smooth out the stones. I'm mostly using a 60 grit disc just to shape them. It's an excellent shaper. I've got plenty of other discs, but then what I'm doing is putting holes in with my Dremel, and these diamond bits I use, and got the Dremel set up with them. I put the holes in underwater here, and then I wind up with something like this and different sizes. Some of these, like this chrysocolla, I actually bought at a show. Same with this like lapis, and I'm just leaving it somewhat natural shaped. I like big pendants, as you probably know. And some stuff I found, like I just found this, and all these are going to go through my Tumbler, and we'll see how they turn out. This is chrysocolla, and here's some like some of the red jasper that I've been finding, or like quartzite agates. This one's got a nice stripe through it, and pretty big. I don't know what this rock is called. There's some assorted stuff. This is diopside. It's totally translucent, and it's got a brown skin, and when you cut it open, you never know what you're going to get. But this particular one, it kind of reminds me of a kiwi slice, but it should be pretty cool. And then some of the, when I find the red jasper and I say, wow, that's going to make nice pendants, well, they are going to be nice. And here's some kind of with some gray striping. So we'll see how those turn out. And here's some botryoidal jade that I cut a slice out of the middle. And I have the two sides that I'll do something else with, but I think this is going to be pretty cool. Like I say, I'll send it to the Tumbler, and not much, but that's going to be super nice. So here's my little Tumbler, 4-pound Thumler's tumbler. And see the median size ceramic media, and I put in a couple tablespoons of fine polish with the ceramic media, and I have approximately 20 to 2 dozen pendants in here. And so I'll turn it on for a second here. So I need to put the lid on securely, and then I run them 3 days, so these have one more day, and then I'll kind of clean them in water, and then I'll put a couple tablespoons of borax in here and run them, and that'll definitely clean them up, and then they'll be ready for stringing with leather for finished pendants. And here I have some rocks I found recently. I took some out and already cut for pendants, but it just kind of gives an idea of what they gonna look like a little bit. I'll cut that one into 1 or 2 or 3 pendants, probably 2. And something like this, really, probably the same. I'll cut it in 2. Might even do that right now. So anyway, I'm getting ready to cut this, and that kind of gives you the idea of what I'm going to do. I made making typically about, if I'm doing pendants, I can do about 2 dozen a day. Actually make them, get the holes in, and then it takes 3 days to tumble them. So sweet.